हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल द एक्सटेंसिव पोर्टल। दोस्तों, ये वीडियो बनाई है एक्सपेक्टेड डीए रिटायरीज़ के लिए अगस्त 2021 से जनवरी 2022 तक क्या होने वाला है। इसमें नया है मई सीपीआई की फ़िगर्स जो हमने अपडेट करी हैं। जो लेबर ब्यूरो से हमें मई 2021 की फ़िगर्स मिल रही हैं वो 120.60 हैं, यानी कि 0.50 का इंक्रीज़। जून 2021 में हम एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हैं कि 121.10 होगा सीपीआई का फिगर। एवरेज सीपीआई ले ली दोस्तों 120.6, इसे कन्वर्जन फैक्टर से मल्टीप्लाई करने के बाद टोटल पॉइंट्स आते हैं 7,928। 7,928 पॉइंट्स हमें मिलते हैं दोस्तों। अलग अलग बीपीएस में जैसे जैसे बैंकर्स रिटायर्ड हुए हैं उनका जो हम एक्सपेक्टेड डीए निकालते हैं दोस्तों, उसमें से जो ऑलरेडी मर्ज पॉइंट है वो हम लेस कर देंगे। 7,928 टोटल पॉइंट्स हैं। 1,684 जो 7th बीपीएस में डीए मर्ज हो गया था वो लेस करने के बाद 6,244 रिमेनिंग पॉइंट्स हैं। 4 पॉइंट्स इक्वल्स टू 1 स्लैब, तो 4 से डिवाइड करेंगे हमें टोटल स्लैब्स मिल जाएंगे। सो द बैंकर्स हु रिटायर्ड इन 7th बीपीएस विल गेट द टोटल स्लैब्स ऑफ 1,561. Total slab will be 1,561. This is the expected DA for the bankers who retired in 7th BPS, that is the period of 1st November 1997 to 31st of October 2002. Then multiply with conversion factor, DA हमारा आएगा 312.2%, यानी 312.20% the percentage DA. Now for those bankers who retired in 2002 to 2007, that is the period of 8th BPS, the total points which were merged in 8th BPS was 2,288. So from total points 7,928 we have to less these points which already merged. The remaining points will be 5,640 points. 4 points for each slab, then we have to divide it by 4, then we get the total slabs for bankers who retired in 8th BPS. The total slab will be 1,410. 1,410 slabs will be for the bankers who retired in 8th BPS. Then multiply with conversion factor, then the percentage DA will be 253.8%. Sorry, 253.80%. Now this time for 9th BPS bankers who retired in 9th BPS, the total points which were merged in that BPS was 2,836. Now we have to less from total points, that is 7,928 minus 2,836. The remaining points 5,092. We have to divide by it by 4. Now the total slabs for bankers who retired in 9th BPS will be 1,273 slabs. After multiplying with conversion factor, we got the percentage DA for 9th BPS, that is 190.95%. This is the expected DA for bankers who retired in 9th BPS. Bankers who retired in 10th BPS will got 87.20% DA. Slab for those bankers who retired in 10th BPS will be 872 slabs. Calculation is same for in each BPS. Now the time is for the 11th BPS, which is the latest BPS which is undergoing, which are running in these times. The points which were merged in 11th BPS was 6,352. We have to less these points from total points, then we got the remaining points 1,576. 4 points equal to 1 slab, then we have to divide it by 4. Now we got the actual slabs which we can expect at this time for the bankers who retired in 11th BPS. Now the slabs will be 394 slabs. 394 slabs for 11th BPS retirees. And the percentage D will be 27.58%. Friends, if you like this video, then please share it and subscribe the extensive portal. Thanks for watching this video.